making a shine. She's the board of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie the Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage. Sitting up there on the fuselage, that little frill can do more than a bill can do. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's the Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production lead, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie the Riveter. The Riveter, Rosie, working on assembly line. Rosie, the Riveter, on the assembly